Today I'm in Leamington Spa at Mills CNC. I'm at their headquarters. I've come to preview a couple of the machines that are going to be on show at MACH. Now this place is absolutely buzzing at the moment. Everyone's really excited to get back to the NEC in April. Mills CNC have the biggest stand at the event, and as you enter the atrium you're bound to see them. It's Hall 19, stand 100. Now they've got no less than 16 machines, 7 of which are new models that you'll be able to see on their stand, one of which is this SVM 4100. Now this is a high-speed vertical machining centre. It's a new model to the range, available to the UK and Irish market. Now this is a high-speed machine, 12,000 RPM. The key to this particular product in Mills CNC's and Doosan's portfolio is to help manufacturers reduce non-cut times, to get parts off the machine quicker. In fact, this machine accelerates, or it's got acceleration of 0.7 G, a 12,000 RPM spindle, 30 station tool changer. It's an efficient machining centre. It's a compact VMC and it's quick, ideal for machining aluminiums at high speed, but it can also cater for other materials such as steels, as it does have still an 18.5 kilowatt spindle motor and a construction that you would expect from any Doosan machine. Now you will be able to see this in action at the show. Also there will be this Doosan Lynx 2100 LSY, supported or interfaced to this Doosan Cobot, which is the M1013. Now this type of automation cell is what Mills CNC get involved in a lot. They can supply not just Doosan robotics and their cobots, but synergy automation manufacturing cells for more industrial style applications. But these solutions are perfect for machine shops. Why would you want one? Well, if you want to achieve unmanned running on your Doosan machines, then by interfacing a cobot like this will allow you to run unmanned overnight, run unmanned over the weekend. It means your operator can focus on more high value tasks. It means that you can keep the spindles going. Now this particular cobot here has a 10 kilogram payload and has a reach of 1300 millimeters, but you can see it's sighted in a very, very small footprint. It can be moved and interfaced to other Doosan machines very simply and very quickly. Now this will be on show at MACH, so will the SVM, and so will 16 machines in total from Mills CNC. Don't forget, you must visit their stand, MACH 2022 at the NEC. Visit Mills CNC stand, Hall 19, stand 100.